Welcome to IT Services Training, Data Cabling Training, how to strip cable sheath to prepare it for punchdown. This is the demonstration video to show the actual process of working with Cat6 cable, the tools needed to repair Keystone jacks, and the Keystone jacks themselves. In this video, we demonstrate the removal of the sheath from a Cat6 cable in preparation for punching it down on a jack. Using electrician's scissors. Select a point about 1.5 inches from the end of the cable. Place the open scissors at that point, but do not put much pressure on the cable. Gently, with very light pressure, encircle the cable with the scissors. You want to make a score on the sheath, not cut it. As you can see in the image, the sheath has been scored but not cut through. Cutting through would raise the possibility of cutting the insulation on the wires inside. To open the sheath, bend the sheath quickly at the score mark. The sheath will separate to expose the conductors on the inside. If needed, bend the sheath the opposite way to separate it, then just pull it off. Please watch the following short video demonstrating the use of electrician's scissors. Using a pocket knife. Select the point about 1.5 inches from the end of the cable. Place the blade of the knife at that point. Place your thumb on the cable but do not bear down. Don't cut yourself or the cable. Gently, with very light pressure, encircle the cable with the knife blade. You want to score it, not cut it. You don't have to make a deep groove in the sheath. Just make sure that you can see the score in it all the way around its circumference. Bend the sheath quickly at the score mark. The sheath will separate to expose the wires on the inside. If needed, bend the sheath the opposite way to separate it. Then just pull it off. Please watch the following short video demonstrating the use of the pocket knife to strip the sheath from a cable. Using a twisted pair cable stripper. This is a purpose-made network cable stripper. It has 3 notches on the top jaw of different heights. Embedded in the bottom is a blade. Select a point about 1.5 inches from the end of the cable. Place the cable in the largest notch to begin. Do not press the jaws together. Remember, you want to score the sheath, not cut it. Spin the cable stripper around the sheath several times, making sure that it stays in the same place on the cable. Remember, you want to score the sheath, not cut it. Snap the cable to one side at the score line to break the sheath at that point. Snap it the other way to break open the other side. The sheath will separate to expose the twisted pairs of wires on the inside. Please watch the following short video demonstrating the use of a twisted pair cable stripper to strip the sheath from a cable. Thanks for watching this video tutorial about one aspect of network cabling maintenance.